Have you heard the phrase, "all that is mine I carry with me"? Well, this range of ETT core folding trailers has made it a reality thanks to the ingenuity of its creators. The trailers make it possible to set up a conference room, a store, a mini museum, a workshop, an office, or any other space depending on the customer's needs. Once unfolded, the standard version measures about 16 feet wide and weighs about 3,500 pounds. The design is intended for year-round use, and a truck version is available. And when used as a garage, you don't even need to take the vehicle out to fold it or unfold it. Here's another option for easy access to the roof of the car that would be perfect for off-road adventurers and camping enthusiasts. A simple but efficient solution for quickly unloading or just relaxing on the roof, a removable ladder that's installed on the spare tire. The ladder weighs only about 7 pounds and is suitable for 24 to 35-inch wheels. They're mounted with a ratchet strap, so no tools are required. The frame and 2 steps are made of steel and have non-skid pads. The ladder costs $179. A place to sleep and rest in the back of a pickup truck? No problem, say the makers of this system. It's versatile, mounts on a 5 to 8 foot body, and combined with the optional Weekender camper package, offers a bunk bed, a TV, lighting, and a fan. The designers took an inventive approach. The tailgate is cleverly utilized for extra room, and when the system is folded, there's enough space to carry luggage. Powered by an electric motor, the components are of such high quality that the manufacturer is confident that it will last a lifetime. Other modifications are also available, for example to carry a quad bike. A sad statistic: manual handling causes over a third of all workplace injuries in many industries, such as goods transport. The swing lift range of ultralight electric cranes can help save workers from overloads in this sector. There are different versions for vans, pickup trucks, and even trailers, with a maximum payload of 1,102 pounds and a total model's weight of only 95 pounds. In addition, all mechanisms are compact and don't take up much space. For convenience, there's a remote control and the possibility to rotate the crane and adjust the reach of the boom. This reduces the risk of damaging the load or nearby vehicles in case of parking problems. If you don't need a crane yet, but you have a pickup truck and the need to carry items frequently, you'll like this tailgate modification. Depending on the version, it'll hold up to 1,500 pounds, allowing you to perform tasks that previously would have required at least 2 people. The modification adds little to the overall dimensions of the vehicle and is very low maintenance thanks to the fully enclosed hydraulic system and lubrication-free bearings. To prevent unauthorized use, the remote control is automatically deactivated 90 seconds after the last operation. In addition, the manufacturer has versions for vans and various service vehicles. An interesting solution for evacuation services has been developed in Germany, combining simplicity and mobility. You may have seen it before, because the Protec TM23 system has been in production for more than 20 years. The model can be mounted on any SUV or light truck from 6,000 to 16,500 pounds, and it's equipped with a remote control. The load capacity of the current version is about 5,000 pounds. The tailgate is still fully usable. Interestingly, the TM23 model can be mounted on the front. One of the model versions can turn an SUV into a snowplow. Other equipment is available, so your upgraded truck will be of great use in any season. Finnish experts are here to surprise us. What do you think of their idea to equip any car with a high-pressure washer? It'll make street cleaning much easier and faster, as no special machinery will be needed. There are several washing options available, including cold and hot water. The maximum heating temperature is 284 degrees Fahrenheit. According to the manufacturers, hot water will come in handy for weed control. The tank capacity is up to 264 gallons, and the speed is up to 15 gallons per minute. The largest version weighs 1,036 pounds. The lightest 232 pounds. A 98-foot hose is also included, which will come in handy to remove graffiti. After a hard day's work, it's time to relax. You can set up a nice picnic area next to your car in just 5 minutes thanks to this awning. It covers about 151 square feet of space, providing comfort even on hot summer days. It weighs 60 pounds and measures just over 6.5 feet long. It's stored in a PVC cover and attaches to the roof or roof rack. It's height adjustable and comes with nylon guy wires and metal spikes in case of bad weather. The awning is water repellent and additionally protected by polyurethane spray. The 3.3-foot LED strip powered from the car's cigarette lighter will add color to your picnic as well. The price is $916. The roof of cars, especially if they're high, is often not used at all. The top system roof rack provides additional space for transporting loads. It's similar to a regular roof rack, but it has a number of interesting details. First of all, it is modular and can be configured to suit the customer's wishes and the possibilities of the vehicle. For example, an aluminium support tube, lighting equipment, and a special 8.2 or 9.8 foot long ladder carrier are available. Secondly, the ProSafe system makes even bulky loads easy to secure. And third, the roof rack has been successfully crash tested and is so sturdy that the manufacturers promise that it will outlast your current car and can be mounted on your next one. The Tow-Go system is a curious solution for towing trucks. The design is extremely simple and can be attached to the tractor's fifth wheel by a single person in about 15 minutes. Once secured, the rear of the truck lifts up, making it much easier to prepare for transport and allowing the truck to be towed like a normal trailer. It's also suitable for virtually all tractors from 4x2 to 8x4 thanks to its simple design. The manufacturer claims that this system saves money and time because there's no need to call a special tow truck, and as an option, you can order a lighting system and a special brake kit. The designers of the Green Track tracks offer improved traction and force transmission when working on uneven surfaces. For those in doubt, here are some numbers. When using the tracks, tire life is increased by 60% and nominal ground pressure is reduced by 30 to 50%. It also consumes less fuel, is more stable, and easily drives on rocky terrain. The main material is boron steel. Thanks to different track variants, you can even use them with trailers. In addition, the manufacturer highlights an unusual advantage: the lower impact of tracked vehicles on the ground, which is especially important when working in forests. Another upgrade for a van is this electrically operated folding ramp. It can be used in many ways. For example, the ramp facilitates the transport of wheelchairs and aids mobile repair shops for scooters, bicycles, and other objects. The price starts at $2,679, but the manufacturer promises that it will take less time to install than its counterparts and will not require complex modifications to the van. The basic material is aerospace-grade 6061 aluminium alloy. The maximum payload is 1,000 pounds, and a push of the button is all it takes to unfold it. The ramp is approximately 6 feet long and about 26 inches wide. Evolution in transportation and a unique product. That's what this inflatable roof rack is all about. This is how the authors presented their ingenious project. Let's start with the material. According to the authors, they used bike inner tubes from the Kenda company. This made the product cheaper and more practical, as a regular bicycle pump can be used to inflate it. The fastening is done by means of special straps. The installation procedure takes about 5 minutes. The product can support surfboards, kayaks, construction materials, furniture, and other loads. And once folded, it'll take up less space than a shoebox. Pricing starts at $60. The designers of this helper hope to open up new transport possibilities with a 2-inch hitch. The product is designed for situations where a pickup truck or similar vehicle must be used to transport heavy or cumbersome loads, from farm machinery to huge trailers. It reduces the load on the drawbar, the weight is more evenly distributed, and the payload is increased by 1,800 pounds. The tires are reinforced for commercial use and feature a universal tread. In combination with the coil spring, the additional wheel extends tire life, improves maneuverability and load capacity, and at the same time eliminates the risk of wheel hop, an effect when the vehicle's drive wheels start to jump when trying to accelerate, producing a characteristic sound. And last but not least, a development that was used in the 20th century in military vehicles. These are airless tires. The function of the air in them is taken over by cells made of rubber. Inside, there's a framework of rubber plates, which resembles a honeycomb. It seems that airless tires have many advantages. They withstand punctures, bullet wounds, and shrapnel. But there's a disadvantage: low elasticity, which significantly affects the speed. That is why today, engineers are actively working to improve cell structures. Even tire giants are interested. Michelin showed its own version in 2017 and promised the first production units for passenger cars as early as 2024.
Hey, stop being lazy, it's time to use that brain of yours. Welcome to Brain Time. Incredible facts from the past, the present, and even the future. The power of nature and wild animals, amazing facts and unsolved mysteries. You'll find all this and much more here. Subscribe now, you won't regret it.